Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom code to your Godaddy website using the website builder. This is a great option if you want to take your site beyond the built-in tools and add unique features with HTML, CSS, or JAVAScript. Let's get started without any delay. But before starting, make sure to check the description box for helpful elements and like the video. First, sign in to your Godaddy account and open up your website builder. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add Section button. Click on it, and a menu will appear with a variety of section types you can add. In the search bar, type HTML. This is the section type that lets you insert custom code. When the HTML option appears, click on it, then press the Add button. Now, your website will have a new HTML section added directly to the page. To edit it, click on the Custom Code option. This will open up a code editor where you can paste or write your own HTML, CSS, or even JAVAScript. From here, you can completely customize how this section looks and functions, whether it's embedding third-party tools, adding animations, or designing something from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully added custom code to your Godaddy website. Remember, the power of custom code is flexibility, but always make sure your code is clean and correct so your site stays fast and professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more website tips and tricks.